Want to earn crypto on your mobile for free? Introducing U2DPN, the new DPN gem. Earn U2DPN token by sharing your unused bandwidth. It's similar to Grass, but this one has a mobile app. How to start earning? Simply download the app on Play Store. Go to Referrals. Tap this button. Put CryptoPH as your referral. Toggle. Congratulations! You're now start earning. Soon your U2DP tokens can be converted into cash. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your unused bandwidth into valuable rewards. Download U2DPN now and start earning.